Listen up, fellas. Today, we're diving into the essentials of approaching women with respect and sincerity. Approaching a woman should always start with respect. It's the cornerstone of any meaningful interaction. It's not about pickup lines or tricks. Forget the gimmicks and focus on genuine communication. It's about seeing her as a person, not just a potential date. Recognize her individuality and treat her accordingly. Treat her with the same courtesy you'd give anyone else. Simple gestures of kindness go a long way. That's how you build a real connection. Laughter and meaningful conversations are the building blocks of any relationship. Remember, women deserve to feel safe and comfortable. Your approach should never make her feel uneasy or threatened. When you approach with respect, you're showing her that you value her as an individual. This is crucial in establishing trust. This sets the stage for a positive interaction, regardless of the outcome. Whether it leads to a friendship or something more, the foundation is respect. Approaching with respect also means being mindful of her boundaries. Pay attention to her cues and respond appropriately. If she seems uninterested, don't push it. Respect her decision and gracefully step back. A gentleman knows when to back off. It's about understanding and respecting her space. Ultimately, approaching a woman should be about getting to know her, not just getting her attention. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. When you lead with respect, you show her that you're serious about building a genuine connection. This is the true foundation of any meaningful relationship. So next time you approach a woman, remember these principles. Respect, sincerity, and genuine interest are your best tools. Whether it leads to a lasting relationship or a brief encounter, approaching with respect leaves a positive impression. Reflect on your interactions and learn from them. Each experience is an opportunity to grow and improve. And who knows? A respectful approach today might lead to a meaningful connection tomorrow, so go out there and approach with respect. It's the foundation of any successful interaction. Let me tell you, a genuine smile can go a long way. It's like an instant icebreaker. When you approach a woman, flash her a warm, confident smile. It shows you're friendly and approachable. And don't underestimate the power of eye contact. It shows you're engaged and interested in what she has to say. But keep it natural, fellas. No need to stare her down. Think of it this way. A smile says hello, and eye contact says I see you. It's a simple combination, but it speaks volumes about your intentions. Remember, a smile and eye contact are just the first steps. They open the door for conversation, but it's up to you to keep the momentum going. Now, when it comes to that opening line, keep it simple. The first impression you make can set the tone for the entire interaction. No need for cheesy pickup lines. They often come off as insincere and can make the other person feel uncomfortable. A simple hello or a compliment about something you genuinely admire about her can work wonders. It's all about being authentic and showing genuine interest. For example, you could say, "That's a beautiful dress," or "I love your style." Compliments that are specific and sincere are always appreciated. Or you might say, "I couldn't help but notice your book. I love that author." This not only shows that you're observant, but also opens up a potential topic for further conversation. It shows you're paying attention and that you have something in common. Shared interests can be a great foundation for a meaningful conversation. The key here is to be genuine. Don't force it. Authenticity is attractive and makes the other person feel at ease. If you see an opportunity to strike up a conversation naturally, go for it. Whether it's at a bookstore, a cafe, or a social event, seize the moment. But if not, don't sweat it. Not every moment is the right moment, and that's perfectly okay. Remember, the goal is to start a conversation, not to impress her with your wit. The best interactions are those that feel natural and unforced. Keep it light, keep it real, and let the conversation flow from there. The more relaxed and genuine you are, the more likely the conversation will be enjoyable for both of you. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you engage in these simple, genuine conversations, the more natural it will become. So get out there and start talking. Fellas, personal space is crucial. You don't want to crowd her or make her feel uncomfortable. Give her room to breathe. A good rule of thumb is to maintain an arm's length distance when you're first getting to know her. As the conversation progresses and you build rapport, you can gradually close the gap. Pay attention to her body language. If she seems uncomfortable or steps back, give her space. Respect her boundaries always. Remember, approaching a woman is like dancing. It's about finding the right rhythm and flow. Respect her space, and she'll be more likely to let you in. Tonality and expressions. Your nonverbal cues. Listen up, your tone of voice and facial expressions speak volumes. You want to come across as confident and approachable, not aggressive or arrogant. Keep your tone friendly and respectful. Smile, make eye contact, and use open body language. Uncross your arms, stand up straight, and face her directly. Your nonverbal cues should convey that you're interested in getting to know her. Be genuine, be yourself, and let your personality shine through. Remember, communication is about more than just words. Your tonality and expressions can make or break the interaction. No hoops, just genuine interest. Here's a big one, fellas. Don't make her jump through hoops to get your attention. No games, no tests, no playing hard to get. Just be straightforward and genuine. If you're interested in her, let her know. Treat her with respect, be yourself, and let the conversation flow naturally. Don't try to be someone you're not, or pretend to be interested in things you're not. Authenticity is key. Remember, women can spot a phony a mile away. Be real, be respectful, and she'll appreciate you for it. Building confidence through respectful interactions. Now, I know approaching women can be nerve-wracking, but trust me, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Start by practicing your approach in low-pressure situations. Talk to women you meet in your everyday life, at the coffee shop, the bookstore, or even the grocery store. The more you interact with women in a respectful and genuine way, the more confident you'll become. Remember, confidence comes from within. Believe in yourself, treat others with respect, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The importance of authenticity. Fellas, let me tell you, nothing is more attractive than authenticity. It's the foundation of genuine connections and meaningful relationships. Women can spot a fake a mile away. They have an innate ability to sense when someone is not being genuine. Don't try to be someone you're not. Pretending to be someone else is exhausting and unsustainable. Be true to yourself, quirks and all. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine. When you're genuine, you come across as confident and approachable. People are naturally drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin. You're not trying to impress anyone or put on a show. You're just being you. And that's refreshing. It's a breath of fresh air in a world full of pretense. Think about it. Would you rather connect with someone who's being real or someone who's putting on a front? Authenticity fosters trust and deeper connections. I think we all know the answer. Genuine interactions are far more fulfilling and memorable. Remember, authenticity is about being comfortable in your own skin. It's about accepting who you are, flaws and all. It's about embracing your strengths and weaknesses. When you accept yourself, others will too. When you're true to yourself, you're more likely to attract someone who appreciates you for who you really are. Authenticity is the key to lasting and meaningful relationships. So, take a moment to reflect on who you truly are. Embrace your individuality and let it guide your interactions. Authenticity is not just about being honest with others, but also with yourself. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance. When you live authentically, you inspire others to do the same. Your genuine nature becomes a beacon of light for those around you. So, be yourself unapologetically. The world needs more authentic individuals who are not afraid to show their true colors. Remember, authenticity is your superpower. Use it to build connections, inspire others, and live a fulfilling life. Handling rejection with grace. Now let's talk about rejection. It's a part of life, fellas. Not every woman you approach is going to be interested, and that's okay. The key is to handle rejection with grace and respect. Don't take it personally. It's not a reflection on you as a person. If she's not interested, simply thank her for her time and move on. Don't argue, plead, or try to change her mind. Just accept her decision and walk away with your head held high. Remember, there are plenty of fish in the sea. Don't let one rejection discourage you. Dust yourself off, learn from the experience, and keep moving forward. Beyond the approach, cultivating connection. Approaching a woman is just the first step, fellas. The real magic happens when you can cultivate a genuine connection. This means being a good listener, asking thoughtful questions, and showing genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's about finding common ground, sharing stories, and building rapport. It's about treating her with respect, kindness, and understanding. Remember, a meaningful connection takes time and effort. Be patient, be present, and let the relationship unfold naturally. Embrace the journey. Listen up, fellas. Approaching women can be a daunting task, but it's also an exciting journey of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the challenge, learn from your experiences, and never be afraid to put yourself out there. Remember, the most important thing is to be respectful, genuine, and confident in who you are. When you approach women with these qualities, you're well on your way to building meaningful connections. Now go out there and make it happen. And remember, I'm always here to offer a little guidance along the way.